Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off developer mode in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable or disable developer mode in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on start, click on settings, click on update and security, click on for developers. Here option install apps from any source. So if you want to enable, so select on position. After click on yes, and if you want to disable, so select off position. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on or turn off developer mode in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel for latest update.